The X-Tronic 3050 Pro X Soldering Station is a powerful tool designed for both beginners and experts, offering quick heat-up times that make it highly efficient. This soldering station comes with a comprehensive kit that includes multiple accessories like helping hands, extra soldering tips, and a solder roll holder, enhancing its versatility. One of its standout features is the bright white LED display and programmable temperature settings, which allow precise control during soldering tasks. Its robust build quality and use of PID technology ensure stable temperature control, making it reliable for detailed and intricate soldering work. The soldering station is designed to be user-friendly, with features such as a sleep timer and a very pliable soldering iron cord, catering to comfortable and efficient usage. X-Tronic provides excellent customer service with a 3-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind for users who invest in this high-quality soldering station.